Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing, this time from Express. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I was on Instagram the other day, last week, and I was scrolling past and I saw Jeronica Macia. She was showing this bag and I was just like, oh my goodness, it is so stunning. So me being me, I ordered it, okay? So let me show you. This is my receipt. Keep that. So here is the bag, you guys. So cute. This is a dupe for the Alexander Wang bag. It is this really cute. Oh, look at it. Look at it. This rhinestone bag. Oh my goodness. I need to go see the real one in person to see if it is the same size as this. The Alexander Wang, it comes in black, yellow, purple, and one more color. Green, I think it's green. The rhinestones are those colors. Because I think the yellow one or the green one of them, it's on sale right now for like, what is this bag, like $600 or something like that? Don't quote me, girl, but I think it's like $600, and I think it might be on sale for $400 or something like that. Anyway, let's talk about this. This bag was $78 at Express, and it looks identical to that bag. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's rhinestone all over it. This is a mini bag. This is an evening bag in my personal opinion. It does come with silver hardware. It does have a really smooth zipper on here. The inside is stuffed. So there is no structure to this bag, you guys. None. Like, look. There is no structure. So when you put your stuff in here, like, it's gonna sag or whatever. So maybe you can find like a little organizer or something. We're gonna see. I'm gonna do a what fits inside. Now inside you got, I'm gonna do a close-up of course, but there is like one pocket right here on this side. And that's it. Like, this is really truly an evening bag. You just have to carry it on your arm like this or in your hand. This is cute. It does have a little weight to it. Now, my only hang up, you guys, my only hang up is this is not my life. Not at all, you guys. This is not my life. My life is very random, on the go. For me to go out to eat, it takes like a really, really nice restaurant and everything. Like the stars and the moon and Congress has to be aligned for me to plan something, because something always happens. But look, it's the size of my hand, you guys. It is beautiful. The only thing about it is, will I keep this? Should I keep this? I know that this is not me. This would either forever sit where all my handbags are. The kiddo would use it, or I would use this every now, like maybe once or twice. I know that this is not my life, but it's so pretty. Let me go get my bag that I was carrying today, and I will show you guys what all fits, okay? So my bag that I was carrying today was my little mini Coach Roland. I love this, you guys. I'm going to do a what fits inside of here as well, okay? But let's see if the going out essentials will fit in here, okay? The only thing that I don't have is my spare house key. But I wouldn't need that going out. So, okay. This opening is not the largest. So, let's see. I have a shea butter hand cream. It's just sitting on top. Okay. My 6-ring key holder. I go nowhere without this. Whether I'm driving or not, I never leave home without it. Okay, that fits. My Coach card case. Okay, it has weight. Just with those 2 items, because like I said, the bag was already, you know, pretty heavy. But just with my keys and my wallet, you really feel the difference. I put my lotion in here. And chapstick. Gum. Let's see. That fits. And wet wipes. Y'all know I swear by wet wipes. And yeah, you really feel the difference in here. So it didn't sag that much at the bottom like I thought it would. But yeah, your phone will, well, at least my phone, it will not fit in here. Like, no, not at all. But this is so cute. But is this me, y'all? Do I keep this? I don't know. I really don't know. Like, I don't have any, I don't believe, any black bags with silver hardware. And I truly don't have anything sparkly like this. Truly, the only thing I believe that's really missing from this and the Alexander Wang is that on the strap, it says Alexander Wang. This is the cutest thing, but I'm not really sold on this. And some of these are sharp. Like, really? Like on the corner of mine, the little side that keeps the rhinestone on is already lifting. No, this is not for me. But it is cute nonetheless, right? Alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing of this really cute Alexander Wang dupe. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.